Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.4. So let's look at the first subdivision. It's integral of e power 3x plus 1 the whole squared into e power 3x dx. So first we are going to put e power 3x plus 1 as t. So now if you differentiate, you will get 3 into e power 3x dx is equal to dt. We already have this expression e power 3x dx. So let's find the value for that. So e power 3x dx is dt by 3. Now let's put back everything in the integration. So this will become t squared dt divided by 3. We can take the 1 by 3 outside. So 1 by 3 integral t squared dt. Now if you apply the integration formula, this will become 1 by 3 into t cube by 3 plus c. So here we can simplify and write this as t cube by 9 plus c. Put back the original value. So t's value is e power 3x plus 1. So you can rewrite this as e power 3x plus 1 the whole cube divided by 9 plus c. Now let's look at the second subdivision in this question. Second subdivision is integral e power 4x divided by 1 plus e power 4x the whole squared dx. So here I'm going to put this expression 1 plus e power 4x as t. So on differentiation, you get 4 e power 4x dx is equal to dt, or e power 4x into dx is dt divided by 4. Now let's put this value in the integration back. So the numerator will get reduced to dt divided by 4. The denominator will simply become t squared. I'm taking the 1 by 4 out. So 1 by 4 integral of dt divided by t squared. This can be written as 1 by 4 integral of t power minus 2 dt. Now let's integrate. So this will become 1 by 4 t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Substitute back all the values. So it is minus 1 by 4 into t value is 1 plus e power 4x. So let's put that 1 plus e power 4x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.